Hi everybody, this is Dr. Rouhanian with Select Dental Management in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Today we're doing the Case Acceptance Day, but I thought it'd be a good idea for him to share his experience with Hygiene Diamonds and what's happened to his team as well as the organization. So Dr. Rouhanian, why don't you tell us about that?
Sure, thank you, Bert. So we partnered with Hygiene Diamonds a little bit less than a year ago, and my experience with my team alone has been amazing. Huge impact on our patients, a huge impact on our morale and just education-wise on being able to provide a lot of preventative services and just being able to talk to patients much more clear and better understanding. As an organization, it's exceeded our expectations. It's been unbelievable. Wendy, Bert, everybody that's been a part of this has been very caring and accommodating on our needs and what we were trying to do. And I would recommend this to anybody who wants to improve standard of care in their hygiene departments and overall patient care. Thank you.